welcome to Southern City College, Birmingham. This session will give you an insight into our college community, courses and our campuses, as well as student services, as well as showing you how our apprenticeships and courses will help you build a strong and successful career. You can easily get to our campuses. We have various campuses across Birmingham in easy to get to locations. You'll be taught by knowledgeable tutors who have a wealth of experience in various industries. You'll benefit from studying at an Ofsted Grade 2 college with quality facilities. You can choose from a wide range of subjects and study levels to suit your interests and abilities. One of the things that makes us stand out as a college is that our courses range from foundation all the way to university level. Progression is very important to us, and we want to see you progress too. Wondering what life is really like at Southern City College? No need to hear it from us. Let's see what our students have to say.
Hi, my name's Aniela. I'm doing level 2 hairdressing 1 year. Absolutely love the course. The salon's fully equipped with top of the range equipment that you'd find in a professional salon anywhere. We're all going to get our own kit very soon as well, which we'll be able to take home with us. It's pretty amazing.
I've been at the college for about maybe 2 years now. I've been studying level 3 business. This is my last final year, and after that I'm deciding to probably go on uni or just go into work. I enjoyed the sports a lot because the staff, they put a lot of time into you. They made you feel like what you was doing actually made sense, and it's not just you're just coming to college just to be a part of a course. You actually feel like what you're learning can actually be used in the real world to actually, be part of a job in the future, and I like that quite a lot. Yeah, in the urban show they generally have table tennis, pool tables. They have a seating area where you can sit and drink and have a lot of food as well too. I like that quite a lot because it keeps you, interacting with a lot of people as well.
Vocational courses are designed to get you ready for the world of work, so they're great if you know which industry you want to move into after college. These courses are practical and are mostly assessed by coursework and assignments, although they may contain some exams. You might be learning in a practical environment, so for courses like plumbing or engineering, you might be in one of our well-equipped workshops. Or if you choose a course like hair and beauty, you'll get to learn in one of our professional salons. As part of your course, you'll do work experience in your chosen area. All students completing a level 3 vocational course will have the opportunity to either apply for university or find an apprenticeship or employment afterwards. We offer many vocational courses, including science, esports, engineering, public services, automotive maintenance, all of the construction trades, childcare, and a lot more.
Whether you're aiming to progress to higher education or gain the qualification you need to enter the workplace, our A-level courses can help you set up for a successful future. You normally choose between 3 or 4 subjects when studying A-levels, and the entry requirements are generally a minimum of 5 GCSEs at grade 4, but can be higher depending on your subject choice. A-levels are non-vocational studies, so you'll need to sit exams at the end of a 2-year period. Is studying full-time not for you? Do you want to get out in the workplace and earn while you learn? Then our apprenticeship programmes are for you. Designed for people aged 16 plus, apprenticeships help you get started in a career that suits your skills and interests. In many ways, your apprenticeship is like a job where you spend 4 days a week in your workplace as a staff member and 1 day at college studying for your qualification. We want all our apprentices to succeed, and so we'll put in place a structured training programme just for you, with a dedicated mentor and support every step of the way.
All of our apprenticeships are featured on our website, sccb.ac.uk, and you can apply there. Please note, before you can apply, you must be over 16 years old and no longer in full-time education. Now, let's hear from one of our apprentices.
Hi, my name's Michael and I'm a business level 3 at Southend City College, Birmingham. The benefits of an apprenticeship is you get paid, you get support and you get a free bus pass. So my favourite things about the college are the useful support in the library, my friends and the support from my colleagues.
You'll receive an excellent level of ongoing support from our helpful Student Support Services team.
Hello, my name's Aisha. I currently work for Student Services within Enrichment. Here at Longbridge campus, we have lots of fun activities for you guys to take part in. Anything from creative writing clubs, open mic sessions to theme park trips.
Hi, my name's Lucy. I'm part of the Student Services team. My job here is a welfare and guidance officer, so I support students with any difficulties you may have either inside or outside of college while you're studying to help you keep on track and keep you on your programme. While studying here at the college, you can apply to the Learner Support Fund for help and financial assistance. So things like your bus pass, train allowance, free school meals and help with your equipment and trips.
So my name is Jeannie. I am the Lead Learning and Assessment Support Coordinator for the Bourneville campus, Longbridge. So part of my job role is to assess students who have special educational needs, additional needs, or those that have educational healthcare plans. Part of my role would be when you come through to the college at enrolment, to assess you, to discuss with you what kind of support you might need to help you succeed at college, and also to help the tutors differentiate any learning or any support that you may need within the classroom.
Now you've heard it here firsthand. Some of you might even have friends or family members that have had the same incredible experience studying with us. Let's hear what our other staff members have to say.
At the college, we take our sports very seriously. As well as college courses related to sport, we also have gyms like this at all of our campuses. For an all-round college experience, you can get involved in some of our teams, basketball team, football team, cricket team, and you can do this through our enrichment programme.
Every campus at Southend City has a dedicated library where you can use computers, access electronic resources and e-books. It's a good, safe, quiet place to study where you can complete your assignments and even take a book home.
If you're unsure about what course you want to study, why not come along to one of our open days and explore our campuses and facilities?
The easiest way to apply to us is online via our website, found at sccb.ac.uk. The application process is simple and fast, and you can track your application online. Any updates to your application will be sent to you by email. Once you've applied to us, we'll send you a registration number and invite you to either a telephone or face-to-face interview. We will then make you an official offer, and this will be followed by your enrolment.
If you have any difficulties at any stage during the process, our friendly admissions teams will be happy to help you, either by email, telephone or online chat.